Good morning. I've come up along the Plein River to do a painting, and I'm going to take a drive. I'm not going to paint here, but I'm just checking out this scene. Let's have a look at this. This is in the Plein River up at Wallachia. There's a bit of traffic. There's a bridge there, and the traffic's going by. It's a little bit loud, but the bird life's nice. It's really beautiful here. Quiet river, bit of wildlife. Let's have a look around here. Breathtaking. Yeah, so I'm about 20 kilometres from Penrith, up along the Plein River. I'm going to take a drive out to Greendale, see if I can find something to paint. So I'll head back to my car, and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and hopefully I can find something to paint. I've got a larger canvas today I want to work with. It's probably about 45 centimetres by 60 centimetres. Hopefully I could do something like that, because I've got a frame for it. It's a deep edge canvas. Have a look at this. It's like motorbikes have come up here, trail bikes and that. Looks pretty cool. It's like a little reserve here. No one's here, it's a bit quiet, just myself. But the bird life's beautiful. I'll come back here for sure and do a painting one day. So yeah, the weather's been really good here. It's winter, middle of winter, and the weather, we've had a little bit of rain here and there, and when the rain stops and goes, the weather is so beautiful, very atmospheric, and the sky is really clear. Check out these gum trees. Wow, beautiful big gums. These grey gums, pretty sure that's what they call them. I don't know the Latin name or the scientific name, but huge. Yeah, so I'm going to head up about 20 minutes drive that way, and where I done the other painting, Plein Misty for me, so down that way, and I'm going to look for some rolling hills and some cows or something to paint, and hopefully I'll get a good result. I've got my large canvas, or larger than what I normally work with. Plein air, most artists stick with little ones, so I'm going to have a go at working with something a bit big, but I'm going to do it quick, keep it nice and loose. So yeah, it's some beautiful trees here. Really beautiful. You can check out these ones over here. Nice and peaceful and beautiful. Love nature. Got to get out and just paint and keep practicing. And hopefully one day, when I'm probably about 65, I might be a good artist. So anyway, we'll head out there, see if we can find a subject to paint. Let's get out there, eh? Okay, so I found a spot to paint. I like this old dairy farm over here. You can see the old dairy farm. I remember coming past here about 10 years ago, and there was a stack of cows, a whole heap of cows, and I thought one day I've got to come back and paint this. But they, unfortunately the dairy farm's closed, and the cows are gone. But I like the old silos and the shed, and this gum tree over here with the road. I don't know if I'll put that in, or just a fence line. I'm not too sure, but it seems like a tricky subject to paint, but I want the challenge. I'm going to have a go. If it doesn't turn out, well, that's how she goes, but at least I come out and had a go and had a try. So I've got my gear set up here. I'm parked up on the side of the road here. We're out at Greendale. Okay, so I've got a canvas. I don't really like having my canvas in the sunshine. I've got a motorbike coming, so just hang 5. Yeah, I don't really like putting my canvas into the light, but as I go I can move it around. I can't really get much of a much shade at this point because it's only early. It's about 10:30 in the morning or so now, so I've drove around for a little bit looking for something to paint, and I've seen this old dairy farm. So I'm going to have a go at the old dairy farm on this beautiful winter day, and let's see how we go. Okay, so we're going to get started now. In the distance, in the trees, there's a little bit of shadow. It's like an inky ultramarine blue. So I'm going to start with that. Okay, I'm going to put some clouds in now. Let's have a look. I will come back and refine the clouds as I get a bit more into the painting. I want to keep this painting simple and loose. I don't want it too detailed like a photo. I want it to be simple, impressionistic style, so hopefully we can get it done. There's a lot to put in. Okay, quick update, let's have a look at it. Okay, so it's coming together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the sheds and all that. I'm going to leave them till the end with the tree. So I'm going to carry on. I'm going to do the mid-ground and the foreground, what's up close. Get all the theme and the atmosphere in. Then I'll go back to the trees. The tree and these trees here. And then I'll put my sheds in last. So yeah, that's what I'm going to stick with. We'll keep going. Okay, get this tree done now. One of my favourite colours I use is ultramarine blue. This is the Winton, Winton Winton, but ultramarine blue, it's a great colour to use. I really enjoy using it. Use it pretty much in everything. Mix my blacks, burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. So yeah, ultramarine blue is a brilliant paint to work with. So I'll get this tree done now. Okay, I'm on the home stretch now. Okay, a bit of highlight on the tree.
It's meant to be red from 5 metres back, is it?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, you got to get back. The light keeps changing on me, so I'm going with this, going with that. But
Bloody hell, amazing.
yeah.
You're amazing.
Thanks, mate. Have a good one. That old fella would have been about 80 or 90. He's jogging along. Unbelievable.
Hi.
How you going?
Good.
That's good.
That looks fabulous.
Oh, thank you very much. Cheers. Okay, so that's the painting done. Let's have a look at it. Okay, turned out pretty good. Quite happy with that. This larger painting. Not bad at all. Happy with that. There's the view of Chaddock's farm. So thanks for coming along. See you in the next one. Arigato.